In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to suggest on Google Docs. If you've ever wanted to propose changes without permanently altering someone else's writing, suggesting mode is the perfect tool. It works a lot like track changes, letting collaborators see exactly what you recommend and decide whether to accept or reject each edit. Start by opening your document in Google Docs. Once your file is loaded, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small pen icon that usually shows your current mode as editing. Click that pen icon to open the menu and then choose Suggesting. You'll know you're in the right place when the label changes to Suggesting and a short message confirms that your edits will be offered as suggestions rather than direct changes. From here, just type like you normally would. The key difference is that your original text remains intact while your proposed changes appear as suggestions layered on top. When you add new words or sentences, they'll show up in a different color, making them easy to spot at a glance. When you remove something, the deleted text is crossed out rather than erased, so everyone can see exactly what you're proposing to cut. This clear, visual format helps collaborators understand your intent without any confusion. As you work, each suggestion is tracked, and collaborators can review your edits one by one. They'll see the color-coded changes and can accept or reject them with a single click, ensuring the document owner stays in control of the final version. This workflow is especially helpful when multiple people are editing the same file, because it keeps the conversation organized and the document clean. You can also add a comment to explain your edit. Comments are great for giving context, like why you rephrased a sentence, what source you used, or what alternative you're proposing. Keep your message clear and concise so others can quickly understand your reasoning. Comments sit alongside your suggestions, which means anyone reviewing the document can read your explanation before deciding what to do with the change. That's all you need to start suggesting on Google Docs. Open the document, switch from editing to suggesting, type normally, and let the visual cues do the talking. New text in a different color, deleted text crossed out, and optional comments to clarify your thinking. With this approach, you'll collaborate smoothly, keep everyone aligned, and move your document toward a polished final draft.